Level meters are crucial tools in any recording studio. They give you a visual representation of your audio signal's strength. This helps you get the best sound, making sure recordings aren't too quiet or distorted. Think of level meters like a speedometer for your sound. They show you how fast the audio signal is moving. Just like driving, staying within a good range is key. There are different types of level meters, each with its own way of measuring. First, VU meters or volume unit meters are the classic analog meters with a needle. They're great for seeing the average loudness of your audio. Next, peak meters are very fast and show you the absolute peaks of your signal. These are important for avoiding digital clipping, which happens when the audio is too loud. Lastly, RMS meters or root mean square meters give you a better idea of the perceived loudness of your audio closer to how we hear. When recording, you want to aim for strong signal levels without hitting the red. Use your peak meters to make sure you don't get any clipping. Watch the VU or RMS meters to get a good average level. For mixing, use your ears and the meters together. Aim for a consistent average level on your RMS meters while leaving some room for the loudest parts of the song. Understanding level meters is vital for anyone working with audio. They help you achieve a clean and balanced sound, free from distortion. By using them effectively, you ensure your recordings sound professional and translate well across different playback systems.